Although you have heard that life is a journey, not a destination, but have you ever thought how different this journey can be depending on where you're born? No worries, because in the next few minutes, we're traveling through first, second, and third world countries, and no visa required. Let's go. First world countries, also known as where Wi Fi is a human right. Welcome to the first world. Here, problems sound like my oat milk late is too foamy, and why is my Amazon delivery late by 6 hours? Healthcare, expensive but available. Education, overpriced, but at least you get a fancy degree to hang above your anxiety. Jobs, mostly sitting, scrolling, and saying, let's circle back in Zoom calls. Your neighborhood is filled with influencers, people who live more online than offline. Everyone's trying to show off a perfect life while secretly Googling how to be happy. Fancy cars, tiny dogs, emotional damage. And yes, your social life better be aesthetic or you basically don't exist. People here are stressed about vacations as they have too many options. Greece or France, uh, life is hard. Second world countries, the middle child of the planet. Say hi to the second world. Not poor, not rich, just existing, with Wi Fi that works 60% of the time. There's a weird combo of skyscrapers and power cuts. Some people drive fancy cars, others ride donkeys, sometimes both in the same traffic jam. Jobs exist, but so do connections, which magically turn unemployed cousin into government official. It's the land of potential and paperwork, lots of paperwork. Third world countries where reality checks are free. Ah, yes, the third world, the land of contradictions, where your car wheel falls into holes so deep when you're driving to your office. Third world is where going to the bathroom is a strategic operation because your kids already beat you to it. It's the place where getting electricity, water, and Wi Fi at the same time is a historic moment. But don't think it's all gloom. People here have hustle in their blood and jokes ready for every disaster. Need to fix a broken fan with a tape? Done. Need to feed a family of 7 with one potato in the dream? Also done. And somehow, in the middle of all the chaos, there's music, food, and people who genuinely know how to enjoy life. So, what did we learn? Living in different parts of the world changed your journey a lot. In the first world, people worry about their mental health and panic if they lose Wi Fi. In the second world, people worry about traffic. In the third world, people worry about everything, but somehow still find a way to smile. But here is the twist: no world is perfect, no life is easy. And no matter where you are, you will find people just trying to make it through the day with a little hope and a little humor. And yes, different worlds, different problems, but same planet, same madness. It's important to know that stupidity isn't exclusive to any country. It's weird that in 2025, still we have people who behave with others based on their skin color. They're called racists, and if you don't know about the history of racism, watch our video on racism. Drop a comment, tell us what world you live in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell before you are going to watch the next video.